Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by priming the console so updates can install without interruption. First, make sure the switch has a reliable Wi-Fi connection and at least 20% battery, because interrupted updates cause errors. Once connected, go to System Settings, then System Update to confirm the firmware is current. This reduces compatibility problems. Then check available internal or micro SD space and free up room if needed, since insufficient storage is the most common blocker when you try to download big game patches. You now perform the actual update process. This is where choices matter. Start by closing the running title so files aren't in use. Next, manually trigger an update from the game icon using Software Update, right arrow via Internet. This forces the console to check Nintendo servers immediately. If you prefer automatic patches, enable Auto Update in System Settings, but manual control helps with large downloads. For cartridge games, keep the card inserted and watch the home screen update overlay. To verify, you finish by validating the update and fixing issues if they appear. Once the update completes, restart the switch and launch the game to ensure the new version runs correctly. That confirms file integrity. If you want future convenience, enable Auto Update so patches apply while the console is in sleep mode. If an update fails, the single most effective troubleshooting step is to free up storage. Restart both router and switch. Then attempt the manual update again. This resolves most download and installation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.